Okay guys, this is my second video of the day. I'm gonna do Maroon 5's Payphone. This is without the rap because I am a terrible rapper. So it's just a song with the lyrics. I hope everybody likes it. I should probably mention who the karaoke is from. The karaoke is from Sapphire Music Lover. Thank you so much for providing it. I really like this version and I hope everybody likes this. So here it goes. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? No, our time will be wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned down the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call all of my change I spent on you. Where have these times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All these fairy tales are full of it. What must do the love song I'll be sick? So going back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, I've turned out all the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have you gone, baby? It's over. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All these fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone. Okay, so I hope everybody likes that, and that's kind of the end of the karaoke because there is no rap, as I mentioned before. I'll be doing other videos too. I'm thinking about doing Taylor Swift's Meme, so I hope you guys can stick around for that. If there's any request or anything you guys want to tell me about it, you guys can just leave a comment or you can send me a message through YouTube. So that's cool too. So, stick around and there'll be more. Thanks guys.